This is HUAWEI Nova 11, and today I would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So, in order to prevent the screen from automatically turning itself off after some idle time passes, we will need to download the external app, but unfortunately it is not available at the app gallery, so open whatever browser you prefer using. Then go for the apkpure.com website. Then at its search bar, type in the Caffeine query. That is the app so here is the app that we were looking for, Caffeine Keep the Screen On from Caffeine Developer. Then download its APK file. Once the APK installation file gets downloaded, we can just go ahead and install the app. And once the app gets successfully installed, you gotta launch it, make sure that the timeout parameter is set to be at the infinite value, and do not close the Caffeine app, let it remain active and running in the background. So, as long as you do that, your screen will not automatically go to sleep. That will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.